how to log in to Temu account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure you have the Temu application installed on your device. If not, then go ahead and install the application. You can easily download the application from your App Store or your Play Store. Now, go ahead and open the Temu application. You will be led to the home page of Temu. You will see the sign in option there at the bottom. Tap on that. You will then be led to the login portal of Temu. So, go ahead and enter the email address that you want to log in with and tap on the continue button. You can also log in using your Google account, Facebook account, or your Apple ID. In today's video, we will log in using the email address. So once you have entered your email address, you will be required to enter your password. So go ahead and enter your password and tap on the sign in button. And with this, you will be signed in to Temu successfully. And just in case if you have forgotten your password, then you can tap on the forgot password button and recover your password and log in further to Temu. So this is how you can log in to Temu account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.